If you want to charge your POCO F7 Pro, we have a couple of ways to do so. However, unfortunately, wireless charging is not an option as it is not possible to charge this phone wirelessly. So if you have a wireless charger, you won't have a use with this phone. So the only way to charge your phone is by using the USB cable. So whichever method you want to use, you actually have to use a cable. Ideally, you want to have a charger or a power adapter, and the most optimal charger should be made by Xiaomi, like this one over here. And also you need to make sure that your power adapter actually has the USB-A port over here, because the original cable that we have with POCO F7 Pro actually has USB-A on one side. Unless, of course, you want to use a different cable, because it is possible. You don't have to use the original cable, you can use any other USB cable. So if you have USB-C on both ends, then in that case you also need to have USB-C power adapter. So, like I said, ideally you want to have a Xiaomi power adapter or charger with 90 watts. So if you want to use fast charging option, then you can charge as fast as 90 watts. So if you get to have a weaker charger, then of course it's still fine, but you will just charge your phone just a bit slower. And if you don't have a power adapter yet or a charger, then you can use, for example, your computer if you have the USB port available on your computer, because computers can also charge the phone. However, they are really slow. So if you are in a critical situation where you have to charge your phone but you don't have the charger or power adapter, then of course in that case you can try to use a computer. But essentially the power adapter is the way to go. So we need to simply plug it into the charging port that we have at the bottom of the phone. And there we go, we are now charging. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.